Today let's learn how to use half of BR tag or reduce the height of a BR tag or adjust the height of a line break in HTML. It is so easy and straightforward. So let's get started now. Here we can see there are three sentences or three text lines. So to create line breaks, we have to use BR tags. I can add here BR tags to create more line breaks, but if I wanted to reduce the height of the gap created below the second text line, it is a way bigger problem for us. So I'll disclose my little tips and tricks to reduce the height of a line break in the HTML. Just remove this BR tag. Give here an ID name and start styling it. You can use something like margin bottom property to adjust the space below a text line. Use margin top property if you are adjusting the space above a text line. Right now, nothing is happening. We have to use here display block. Here the gap is too big, so I'm deleting this BR tag. You can also use here the line height property to adjust a line break's height, but right now I'm sticking with margin bottom property. This is how you can adjust the height of a line break. You can also style all these span tags as shown here. When we use here display block, it automatically creates line breaks which are equivalent to one BR tag for each text line. Use here BR tags to increase the space below the text line. Remove this BR tag because we want to adjust the height of the space below the second text line. Now style the second text line. Use margin bottom or line height property to adjust the space within the text lines. That's it. Now I hope you have a better idea of adjusting the gaps of line breaks in HTML. Please subscribe to this channel to learn more tips and tricks about CSS and HTML. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Until next time.